Alright, right now, Butters is in the front room doing who knows what. Let's go check out him.
You're such a great kiss, I can't feel my legs. Yeah? Yeah, you're so pretty.
Butters, what are you doing?
Oh my god! Oh my god! What?
What?
Leave us alone!
What are you doing?
Nothing. What? Why? I was definitely not
And
making
you
out
even
my
have
puppet.
Josie in there?
Leave us alone, bitch! Don't be mean. I was not making out with the puppet, if that was your... Why? Leave us alone!
It's a puppet!
What? Okay, yeah.
Okay, I think I didn't know this was gonna happen, so,
I think you just need to leave me and...
Bye.